Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is loan insurance and how does it work. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search loan insurance in USA. When you search loan insurance in USA, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website what is loan insurance. You just click in this website loan insurance. Now its meaning, types and benefit. When you click this website, the page will be opened of loan insurance. What is loan insurance and why do you need it? A loan insurance is a creator offers security for family should be experience or unexpected event like an injury or job loss. Unforeseen event and personal challenges not only distributed your everyday life but you can take a substantial tools in your finance. A major medical challenges or illness is the losses of income reduction and unforeseen characteristics like that and family largest of house repair and up top 5 reasons. Candidates declare the personal bankruptcy and loan protection insurance is not only for the covered loan payments. In the event of insured losses of their ability to pay, it can also mean the difference between bankruptcy and financial recovery. Fairstone offer 3 types of loan protection insurance: disability insurance, job loss insurance, and life insurance. What is loan insurance? Loan insurance can cover some of all you have to loan payment if the event of covered illness or injury that prevented you from of working in voluntary job or death benefit. The loan insurance premium is added in your loan amount or portion of your each loan payment pays down and your premium hit it by and making affordable way to protect yourself against an unexpected. How does loan insurance work? When you have to apply for a loan, your credit may be offered to a various types of protection insurance. While you are not required for the loan, additional protection insurance taken out the loan and optional insurance can protect you if you have to unable to make payments on your loan and due to unexpected issues such as job loss, injury, disability or death. This stimulation of amount that you will be have to cover depend on the type of loan insurance you buy, the terms of your policy. Some types of insurance might have qualifying requirements as well as the cloud impact. Whatever the insurance is offered, what will the cost? Loan protection insurance is usually a premium added to your loan amount and gets paid down and alongside your normal loans payment. The good news is with the Fairstone of there can be loan protection insurance. When talking about a loan, better than you have to cancel if you have to situation changes on the longer need to extra protection. When you have a loan protection insurance on your loan and unexpected event happens when the prevented or you farm and making your payments, you can put in loan insurance claim with your creator and some of all you have to need payments may be covered. This is potentially save your family from of stress and impact of financial distress, bankruptcy and credit score impact on your seat to life of track. Learn about the difference between the types of loan protection insurance. Loan insurance can report you and your financially form of financial expected. What the difference between the types of loan insurance? Disability insurance. Disability insurance can protect your life and loan payments if you have to have illness or injuries of prevented. Your form of working and finance store of medical exam of questionnaires is required to disability insurance. Of your loan per past medical history of be taken and consideration mortgage loan require a short medical questionnaires but the medical exam is required. Job loss insurance. Losing a job of stressful likely you have to lose insurance can help to cover your loan payment if you have to involuntary unemployment. Life insurance. If you have to die before paying off your life, insurance will pay for the outstanding balance of your loan, lessening the burden of your family estate and protecting their financial well-being of during the stressful time. Why do I need loan insurance? Unexpected happens to all of us. If you need to have loans, you may be already financing one. Loan protection insurance is one of the best way to protect you and your family from financial difficulties that may be arises if you unexpectedly stop earning an income. Benefit of loan insurance coverage. It may be situation. Here are some situations where people often want to decline insurance but it can be actually be benefited. Most of workplace policies play out and 2% of your wings. If possible, you have to won't be able to affordable all of your expenses. If your experience reduction is your income and whatever your face is disability, If life change choosing a insurance and disability payouts of receive form of rock and two words.